want you to choose your next words very carefully. Where's Hunt?
We've never met before, right?
Follow me.
Reggie. Ethan, where are you? The Syndicate is real. A rogue nation trained to do what we do.
An anti-IMF.
You want to bring down the Syndicate? It's impossible.
Desperate times. Desperate measures.
You have your seatbelt on? You asking me that now? Oh my God!
Among an alien race called the Muvo lives a lonely fellow named O,
Hello?
who was just trying to fit in.
I am superstar in technology. Uh-oh.
But now,
Arrest that move!
he needs somewhere to hide out.
Can I come into the out now?
No.
But I can. You are just having to take away the piece of wood.
Miss Marge. My friends call me Tip.
I am O.
Oh?
I have been given this name by my many, many friends.
Gonna win this for the town. All right, boys. This has only just begun. My underdogs!
Ariana Grande,
Don't tell me you still like this loser.
And what if I do?
Matthew Morrison,
You just gotta have faith.
Nicholas Holt,
Look, goosebumps.
Eugenio Derbez,
Rico says, beware of the hair.
What's he doing?
I think it's the lead paint.
Bella Thorne,
Take him down. He'll play.
with Katie Holmes and John Leguizamo.
Oh, awesome.
Underdogs.
Guys, we're gonna have to use our heads.
Got any more good ideas?
Little late on that, Jake.